It's good, my people. How you guys doing today? Good, good, good. Because today's Friday. I got a 3-day weekend ahead of myself because it's Labor Day weekend, and your boy's about to pick up the Widebody kit from the paint shop. You heard? So it's about to go down. This is lit, bro. So get your popcorns, get your soda, get your candy, get what you gotta get, because it's gonna be a lit video. The G37 is gonna be a Widebody. You heard? So my last video, I was replacing my bag and then one of my bolts got stripped. So I went and I got a new one right here. So I'm gonna go to my crib real quick, empty this whole CRV out so I can, you know, put the pieces without scratching it. And then we're gonna go pick it up. We're gonna go to my house and then we're gonna go, you heard? So I'll see you in a bit. I just fixed that bolt that was stripped down there. So now, the time we all been waiting for. Let's get it. Let's get to rocking and rolling. So this color match is like literally on point, bro. No bullshit. So I'm gonna start off first with the side skirt and then go on from there. So the first piece is on. Shit looks nasty, bro. I'm gonna start the back piece now. So the way I'm doing it, I'm putting on the hardware on first, just loose enough, and then I just put it on the car and then tighten it on the car. Oh my god, bro, it's not even fully on yet and this shit looks nasty already, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at the color match. That shit is on point, bro. Damn. What the fuck. So I bought this it's like the trim for your, like the doors or whatever. I'm gonna see if I can fit it right here on the edges. That way it could be like a cleaner finish. So I'm on it. Bruh, look it. Just with this little detail of this trim, that shit looks so much cleaner, bro. Look at that. El final, bro. I'm already hyped. Alright, let me tighten this and then I'll show you guys.
Stop.
You're not even ready for this. Wanna see how good it looks? Come see how good it looks.
Ah. I like it.
Like it?
It looks like a robot.
Like a robot.
Like a transformer.
Like a transformer. Mira quién está aquí. Está ahorita Nicolau Rodriguez. Yo, but check it out. Yo, this is like OD though. I gotta get like a smaller one. More subtle. This is like boom boom. But so far, this shit look nasty, bro. Alright guys, take a look at the front. I still gotta put a screw down here, but check it out so far. So I definitely want to get new screws because these are like too much for me. Whatever. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today it's the next day. It got dark last night, so I couldn't show you the rest of the process, but I'm done, bro. My car's finally wide-bodied here. So you ready for this? Because I know you ain't ready for this, because I just check it out, bro. Bam, bro. Bam, bro. I'm super hyped how everything came out. Looks nasty. The only thing cleaning right now is my weak ass wheel fitment. But it is what it is. So that'll probably be the next big thing, is rebuilding my wheels. So you know, we get this fitment on point, so the wide body looks good. But it looks nasty, bro. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. El gang.
What up? Famous nigga.
Chill.
Nah, for the real time. No, like, yeah, like.
Coño.
¿Y la foto para cuándo?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I gotta go to a family event. Let me know what you guys think of the wide body now that it's all complete. All I gotta do now is fix the fitment, you know, so it sits right, because right now it looks jank. So once I do that, you know, that's gonna take some time. So that should be the next like big thing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can keep watching. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.